Hi everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to share with you guys another DIY, which I'll be making some night lights. So let's get into the items that we'll be using. Okay, I got these two little lampshades from Dollarama. And I got these candle holders from Dollar Tree, and the clear candle holders also from Dollar Tree. And we have the Tealight candle holder from Dollar Tree. This LED light here I had got from Design on a Dollar as a gift, but I believe they're from Dollar Tree. And we have the BLING flower wrap here, you can get on Amazon. And we have our E6000, and our scissors, and our glue gun. Alright everyone, let's get started! Okay, we're going to start by taking our lampshade and taking the flower bling wrap, and we're just going to bling out our lampshade all the way to the top. Summer comes around, yeah, he should be around you. Yeah, he should be. And I'm not trying to be a hater, but tell me why you stay with him. Yeah, baby girl, you great. Oh, baby girl, you straight. He don't know what he's got. No, he don't recognize. No, he don't recognize. No, he don't recognize. No, he don't recognize you. And now we're going to take our clear candle holder and put some of the flower bling just around the top part of the candle holder. And with our tea light holder, we're going to do the same thing. Take the flower wrap and put it all around the lower bottom of the tea light holder. And now we're going to take our E6000 and our glue gun and glue our two holders together. Okay, now we can glue our bottom piece to our other candle holder. But at first I think we're going to put the lampshade down first. And then we're going to attach our pieces together. And here's our finished look, everyone. Our two night lights. I think they look very nice. Baby, why's your man out here? Tell me where he gone. Tell me why's your man out here? I like how they look on the white candle holder stand. It looks very nice. Why isn't he here? Yeah. You need somebody that's gonna be there for you, girl. You need somebody that's gonna be there for you. And here's another way that you can make the night light. If you can't find the tall white stick candle holders, you could use the tea light holders. At the bottom, you put two tea light holders together, like this one here, and you still have a lovely night light stand. It looks very nice. And you could use these lights, these LED string lights, within the lampshade. If you can't find that little push LED light, the round one I showed you, you could use these ones. And this is how it looks. Now the short one is with the LED string lights, and the tall one is with the push light. And the string lights are brighter, you guys. It's much brighter within the lampshade, which it looks very nice. And here we go. This is how it looks next to my bed. Yeah, a nice little night light to have on at night. You know, if you just want to be cozy, you know, or just want to find something, you can have that on. You don't want a lot of light. It looks very nice. And here's how it looks with the lights off, you guys. It's super bright. It's very nice. I like how it looks. And here's the smaller version that I showed you guys with using just the two round tea light holders at the bottom. I think it looks very nice also. Alright everyone, I hope I've inspired you once again with another lovely DIY for you guys to try. And thank you for coming on and seeing the DIY that I did for today. And don't forget to like, leave me a comment, tell me what you think about these night lights. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and press that subscribe button so you can come back and see more of the DIYs that I come up with to share with you guys. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. Bye-bye, everyone. Wavy.